Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make an easy wall hanging with paper. Subscribe to Craft Jenny and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Cut the edges and roll like this using a pen or pencil. We need to make more like this to make our wall hanger. Now glue them as I'm showing here. I have made 3 like this for my wall hanger. You can change the design as you like. Okay, let's see how to make these flowers with paper. I got a white color A4 here. For one flower, we need 3 squares. Okay, now fold the paper as I'm showing here. Draw a petal shape and cut. Then you will get a flower with 16 petals. As I mentioned, we need 3 sets for one flower. I cut a circle from a glitter sheet for the middle section of this flower, and totally I have made 3 flowers for the wall hanger. Okay, now as the last step, I'm going to make some leaves. Follow these steps and make more leaves. I cut a circle with cardboard, and now I'm going to glue or the flowers, leaves, and everything I made here. Hope you like our video. So, like this video and comment below. And also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos like this.